Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Mackenzie and I'm going to be bringing you my spring cleaning routine today. This video is also going to be a collab with my friend Jennifer here on YouTube. Her channel is Cook, Clean, and Repeat. I'm sure a lot of you have watched her videos before. I love her channel. My favorite series that she's been doing lately here is What's for Dinner. She shows a week of what she's cooking for dinner and I love it. She also does cleaning videos obviously and a lot of other stuff. So I'm going to leave the link to her video and the link to her channel down below. So be sure to check her out when you leave here and let her know that I sent you. So this spring cleaning routine video is not a lot different than any other of my routines, except for the fact that I can open up the doors and the windows and kind of let some fresh air in. But I am going to be bringing you guys a spring cleaning video soon. Not a spring cleaning routine video, but just a spring cleaning video where I deep clean my house and kind of clean in some of the places that I don't clean all the time. So be looking forward to that in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so y'all are about to see something so funny, and if you follow me on Instagram, you already know about this. But look at this dish soap that Alex had sitting on the cake stand. I'm sorry, but I think the Mrs. Meyer's is the only cute dish soap that's going to look cute on here. So when I came home and I saw that sitting there, I just laughed so hard, and a lot of people on Instagram agreed with me. Let me know down in the comments if you agree also. I don't know why I find it so funny. I just do. So I don't know about you guys, but my favorite part of watching cleaning videos is watching people clean out their sink after they're done doing the dishes. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you are satisfied from that, because I don't know what it is, but it satisfies me so much to watch somebody clean out their sink. So right here I'm just going ahead and putting the dishes away, and I don't know if I've told you guys this in the past, but dishes are Aubrey's chore. So I actually don't wash dishes a lot anymore, but she wasn't home this weekend, so I went ahead and got those done so I could get the house clean. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my Wayman cooktop cleaner and clean off the stove. Another part of cleaning videos that I love so much is watching people clean off their counters. That's probably my second favorite, and I also like to see what they're using on their countertops because the Method Granite Cleaner is all that I've ever really liked, so I like to see what other people use too. And right here I'm going in with my Method wood cleaner, of course, and cleaning off the table.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my blinds and straighten up the living room, and keyword is straighten up the living room, because like I tell you guys, every time I clean my living room, it will only last like this for about an hour. It's actually already messed up right now as I'm editing this video. Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum my living room, and this is the V6 Animal Vacuum I'm using right now by Dyson. I know I tell you guys this in every video, but just in case there's anybody new watching, I want them to know. And I will leave a link to this vacuum down in the description box. It's actually gone down in price since I purchased mine. And honestly, it is a little bit of an investment, but it's so worth it. And I'm just going to be honest with you guys, I don't always move the chairs when I vacuum. Sometimes I just vacuum around them because I'm too tired to move them or too lazy, whatever it may be that day. But yeah, that's just real life. Let me know if you guys do the same thing. And then while I was vacuuming, I noticed it was pretty dusty under this table, so I just went ahead and wiped this down with the Method wood cleaner also.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
Now I'm just going in with the Bona mop, and I'm mopping my living room and my kitchen. And the only thing I use to mop with is the mop, obviously, and vinegar and water mixed together. That is the perfect mix. It cleans the floor so good, and it doesn't cost very much money either.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked.
Thank you guys so much for watching my spring cleaning routine. And make sure you go check out Jennifer's spring cleaning routine when you leave here. And let her know that I sent you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.